राष्ट्रीय शिक्षा नीति एनईपी में 3 भाषा नीति पर बोलते हुए भाजपा नेता एन रामचंद्र राव ने केरल सरकार और डीएमके की आलोचना की। उन्होंने कहा, केरल सरकार डीएमके के साथ मिलकर यह दावा कर रही है कि वे 3 भाषा नीति के खिलाफ है, लेकिन हिंदी थोपे जाने का विरोध कर रहे हैं। मैं इन दलों से पूछना चाहता हूं, एनईपी में कहां लिखा है कि किसी पर हिंदी थोपी जा रही है। उन्होंने आगे कहा कि डीएमके और सीपीआई-एम देश को उत्तर दक्षिण और हिंदी अन्य भाषाओं में बांटने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। उनकी यह राजनीति विभाजनकारी और राष्ट्र विरोधी है।
The non-BJP governments in South India, especially the regional parties like DMK and the CPM, now making language as a major issue in the southern politics. Now the Kerala government has joined the DMK's band and claiming that they are not opposed to 3-language formula, but they are against the imposition of Hindi. Now I would like to ask these parties, where is the order or where is the GO or where is the new education policy which imposes Hindi on anyone? Hindi is a national language decided by our founder leaders of the constitution of the nation, and Hindi has always been a national language and there was never a controversy over it. Hindi was never imposed on any states in the country, but still the Kerala government and the Kerala parties, communist parties basically, have joined the bandwagon of DMK, which politics is a divisive, and also it is not only divisive, but it is a very dangerous policy for the national integration of these two parties. Have divided trying to divide the country in the name of South and North, in the name of Hindi and other language. I think this is nothing but diversionary politics, diversionary tactics of both the Kerala government and also the DMK government, that they are the anti-incumbency which they are facing in their state are now trying to make this as an issue, and I think this is a divisive anti-national tactics of both the CPM and DMK.